Are you looking for an easy and efficient way to create stunning landing pages and see results? Look no further. In this video, I'll show you an intuitive drag-and-drop builder. You can create captivating landing pages without any coding or design experience. With this amazing platform, you can design beautiful and captivating landing pages quickly. Plus, access all the analytics and insights you need to optimize your pages for the best performance. Watch the video to the end. You can also visit the link in the description box for more details. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Now, let's get started. Don't settle for subpar landing pages that don't bring results. Build amazing ones that convert and wow your visitors. All-in-one sales and marketing platform. The first ever all-in-one platform that will give you the tools, support, and resources you need to succeed with your agency. Everything your agency needs to succeed. All the tools you need in one platform without having to duct tape multiple platforms together. Capture leads using landing pages, surveys, forms, calendars, an inbound phone system, and more. Automatically message leads via voicemail, forced calls, SMS, emails, messenger, and more. Built-in tools to collect payments, schedule appointments, and track analytics. Grow your agency. Join thousands of other marketers to learn how they are being successful and growing their agency with high level. All the tools you need in one platform. Everything that agencies need to manage their clients' leads, websites, funnels, calendars, and many other services that are needed to maintain a customer. The platform allows you to white label the desktop application. Your clients will see your brand down to the URL. Label agency services such as Facebook advertising, Google advertising, and social media posting. Don't wait any longer. Take your business to the next level with high-performing landing pages that are sure to captivate your visitors. Create stunning landing pages today. Visit the link in the description now to get started.